Hi everybody, today I am going to show you how to create this image in Canva. So let's start. First of all, go on social media section, select the Instagram post square page. After that, go on the uploads section and take your image here. Click on three dot, set image as background. Click on the image, go on edit image. Click on BG remover. Okay, so our image background is removed. Now detach image from background and drag it like this on the corners to the corners, and now change the background color. You can choose any color of background, like I am choosing this color. And after that, add new page, select the box and make sure this is in the middle. You can see these lines, so this is telling us that our box is now in the middle. And now you have to decrease the box in half and increase the size like this to the lines, and on the side again. Okay, so now this is good. Change the background color to white, and now add the text here. Change the text color to white and add this and add your text. I will be change the writing to Anton. Increase the size. And duplicate this. Decrease the size. Add your another text here. Be positive. Adjust this. After adjusting, make this text in the middle. Like this. And now download this. Page number 2. Download. Okay, so our image is downloaded. After downloaded, you have to drag your image to your upload section and add this here. So I have added this, and delete the second page and add your text here. Adjust this like this, and now go on edit image. Do a background remove. Okay, so now increase the size of this image. Now it's looking good. And go on duotone, click on custom and select the colors to white. Okay, now it's good. After so now we have to make a frame. Add the shape here and adjust this to the corners. Looking good. And add the border weight to 16. Change the color to white and click on this color, box color, and select no color. Now you can see that it's looking good. So after that, again add the box, change the color to white and make it like this. Duplicate this. Again duplicate this. You have to make the half page white, so this will look attractive. Go on positions. Make them back of your frame. Okay, so now it's good. After that, click on the circle, go on color and change the color by like your background color. Okay, now good. And add this like this. After that, 3 dot layer, send backward. Now you can see that it's looking good. And also click on the border, go on 3 dot layers and send backward. Wait, go on position. So we have to make the border like in the back of image. Now you can see that the border line is not watchable here. So you have to like wait, go on position, select the border line, duplicate this and make it like just looking one line. Okay, now you can see that after that do this like this. Okay, so now it's looking good. You can see that half border line is on our back and half is on our like here. So this is looking attractive. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to learn more about Canva. Wow.